chicken cacciatore. We've got 6 beautiful chicken thighs. There's no skin, but the bone is in. Because there's no skin on here, I'm gonna cover these guys in some flour. So as these guys cook, the flour will fall off into the pan and that will flavor the sauce plus help thicken it. We'll get a nice sear on these thighs. I'm also gonna add a little more S&P to this side. So as these guys saute away, I'm gonna start prepping the veggies. The first things that are gonna go in after the chicken comes out are onion and garlic. Okay, onions are ready. I'm gonna get to the garlic. So we need about 4 cloves. These are nice big ones. Now let's slice these guys up. I bet it's time to turn the meat. Look at these guys. Looks like there's skin on it. I've got a beautiful red bell pepper, and we'll slice this up thinly too so we can see it.
Now it's time for the cremini mushrooms.
So we'll just give them a nice slice. The mushrooms really give it this beautiful, earthy, wonderful flavor. So it's probably time to take these guys off so I can really start developing the flavors in the tomato sauce. And even if these guys aren't cooked all the way through yet, they're just seared on either side, don't worry, they're gonna cook for another 25 minutes once they get nestled into the tomato sauce. So first thing that goes in, we got this beautiful hot oil. Let's get the onions softened. Okay, now let's put the mushrooms in. So these are really starting to soften up beautifully, and there's enough of a mound of veggies here that I can throw the garlic in because garlic does burn really easily. And now soften up the red bell pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to the veggie mixture. Really good to salt as you go. I think it's time for some wine. A half a cup. So now what we're gonna do is deglaze the pan. Get all of those yummy brown bits into the sauce that we're building. All of this alcohol is gonna burn right off. It's just gonna add a lovely bit of flavor. And while this cooks down, I'll chop up the herbs. I wanna get a little rosemary and a little oregano in here. All fresh herbs. There we go. And just get the knife in there and chop them all up. All right, that looks gorgeous. All the herbs go right in. Stir that up. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. So I've got a whole can of crushed tomatoes. Just get the whole thing in. I wanna make sure every veggie is covered with tomato. The black olives. So get them in there. And then to add a little bit more brininess, we got some capers, a couple tablespoons, and then we're gonna nestle that chicken back in here. This is gonna flavor up the chicken too. Front burner off. Let's cover it up. Onto the back burner. I hope you guys are hungry.
Yes.
Yes.
I'll serve you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then get a little bit of that sauce on there. Cassie, there you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Chicken's amazing.
It just kind of falls right off the bone.
Right off the bone.